Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm baking two cakes, one for my house and another one for a friend who like buying tea cakes from me. And I'll be mixing vanilla and chocolate cake. I've never baked this for her, but today I decided why not. So I'll be using 5 eggs. Then I have sugar. That's what I'm mixing now. Sugar and what and eggs. Then I added vanilla essence, a pinch of salt, and then this is margarine. I'm using margarine. Then I'll mix that, as you can see guys, and then mix well. And then I'm gonna be adding ghee, no, milk. This is milk, the same amount as the margarine. Then I'll mix that. Then I'll add ghee, guys. This ghee I got it from the fresh, you know, when you boil the fresh milk, what you get that comes on top, the ghee. That's what I'm gonna be using on this cake, because I want it to be very nice and soft and yummy. So I'm gonna mix that, and then I'm gonna be adding self-raising flour. I love using self-raising flour. You can tell on my other recipes. I'm always using self-raising flour. I love it because it already has the agent. So this is that's what is it called? I'll tell you guys. So I'm gonna be adding more flour until I get the right paste for my cakes. So guys, welcome. This is Dishina Becky. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to this channel in case you haven't subscribed. Here I do cooking vlogs, so make sure you leave a message for me. Let me know what you think about this video and go watch my other videos. So this is the right paste that I got, and mind you guys, I'm gonna be leaving a recipe for you guys to go and try, and I have other videos. You guys, you can go check them out and use my recipes for cakes. I just bake do home baking for friends and any other person who loves cake. So I've divided the paste. Then the remaining one, I'm gonna be adding chocolate. The chocolate I have is for the normal chocolate we use for tea. That's what I'm gonna be adding. Those are just 2 tablespoons of chocolate, the drinking chocolate. Then I've mixed with warm milk. Then I'm gonna be adding it to the paste that I've remained on my tin. Then I'm gonna be adding the chocolate paste on top of the other vanilla paste to make it chocolate vanilla cake. So it's that easy guys. If you love baking, try this recipe and my other recipes. They are very easy. These are things that you find at home, so you can go try. Instead of buying a bread or an expensive cake, just bake some at home. So I'm gonna mix this and then add it on top, as you'll see guys. So make sure you watch the whole video until we cut the cake and see how it looks inside. So thank you so much guys for your support. If you have watched until this point, I really appreciate for your support. Just watch the whole video and then leave a like and a comment, and I will appreciate. So as you can see, we are adding the chocolate paste, and then we're gonna mix a bit and then get it in the oven. So that's how you do it before you put your cake in the oven. You can go check other videos. I've some videos which are well detailed, step by steps, the quantity that you guys can use, easy, very easy ones. So you can go check them out. This one I was in a hurry to bake because they wanted it for breakfast and I didn't have time that day. So here you go, mix that, then you do like that for it to revel up, and then you go to the next one, we do the same, and then we put them in the oven for 45 minutes under 180 degrees. So guys, stay tuned and watch how we're gonna be doing it and how when we cut, how it's gonna turn out. So thank you so much guys for your support. I really appreciate. If you haven't subscribed, please take this time to subscribe, put your notification bells on so that you can be notified every time I post a video. And if you want to join as a member in this channel, I will appreciate. So get them in the oven for 45 minutes, and then here you go guys, our cakes are done. They look really nice, but this one got a very at the top because of the chocolate. It's bent, it was bent in the oven, so it got this very, but the taste was there, the cake was nice, and we cut it here for breakfast. The other one I gave my friend and they really enjoyed the cake. So thank you so much guys for watching. Leave a message for me, like this video,